Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the LUX Pro PSD111 Plus, and we're going to be going over its operation and some added features that you might like about this thermostat. So let's go over really quick the layout. We have a large LCD screen, very easy to see all the way across the room if you had to, so it's very nice to be able to do that. You have very positive, audible, clicky buttons, which is nice. On the right-hand side, you have your switches, your mode switch. So our mode switch, we have off, cool, heat, and emergency heat in this case. So we can switch it to cool, heat, and emergency heat as well. So emergency setting, and let's switch it back to off position. On here, we have the fan option. So we have on, continuously on, or auto. You're going to want to leave this in auto all the time. You do not want to put this in fan on, otherwise it's going to stay on 24/7 and you might not like that. So make sure that's in the auto position and make sure you have the proper cooling or heating mode selected. And it's very easy. So if you were in cooling, you go ahead and dial in 70 degrees as a set point, and then that would be it. It's going to be cooling to your 70-degree set point. And what's showing up on the screen here is going to be your ambient room temperature, the current temperature of the room. And then slowly it should cool down to 70. By clicking it once, you will see your set point as it shows here. It says set. Just to confirm what your set point is. And that's it, you know. It's a very simple device. You would do the same thing for heating. So if we have it in the heat mode, you go ahead and click up to, let's say 80. And that's it. It's very simple. There's no other programming needed or extra functions or whatever. But as you can see, it's still set to 80 for set point. But let's go ahead and click this off. And now I want to show you a couple features on the accessed on the back side of this. So when you click off or take off the back plate, you will have access to this jumper here and a reset button. So what this jumper does is set the screen orientation from horizontal to vertical. So if we wanted to do that, it'd be very simple. So let's go ahead and switch that. Now hit reset. And once you do that, the device is going to reset. And now we have the option, as you can see, to hold this thing vertically if we desire to. And then operate it like so. Just the same way you would as it would be horizontal. So that's up to you. You know, whether you want it horizontal or vertical orientation. Maybe you want to cover up like certain holes on your wall. And one orientation does it better than the other. So that's a reason why you'd want that, possibly. But it's all kind of user preference. So that there, guys, is the LUX Pro PSD111 Plus. It's a very simple device, very easy to use, and it's very handy in many different applications. So please check out my other thermostat videos, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.